But everything we hear, the market is crazy, everything is selling quickly for top dollar, why haven't you been able to sell our house? This is not a fun conversation to find yourself in, but it's an occasional reality in today's market. For whatever reason, location, price, quality, certain homes seem to be overlooked in what's otherwise still a seller's market. And when it's your listing, it's up to you to offer some solutions. So let's dig into two different directions you can go. Hey, this is Syed Mohsin, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe below to get more insights on how to grow your real estate business. So the first things first, do your homework. Before we get to those two options, you need to do a little research and data collection. I recommend you go back through everything you have done for the property, from your initial listing launch to videos you have posted, to social media posts you have used to promote it, to feedback from showing agents, anything pertaining to that home. Collect and analyze the data. Then you can present that to the seller and show the work you have done, and also show them what the market is essentially telling you. That in its current state, the home at this price is not generating interest. It goes back to great Steve Harney line: if the home's not selling, the price isn't compelling. Now onto the two options. Stagnant listing, option number one, raise the price with the caveat. So option one is to propose raising the price on the property, but to do so, you're going to have to make it worth it. You need to make it scream wow to every potential buyer who sees it online or walks through the front door, which means cleaning it out, staging it properly, doing some upgrades, creating a killer new listing video, and eventually 30 to 45 days later relaunching the listing. This is one option to present to the sellers. I don't suspect many will take that option, but it illustrates to them what needs to happen if they want to stick with their inflated price. Now onto a more realistic option. Stagnant listing, option 2, lower the price to create a bidding war. Option 2 allows you to demonstrate your strategic resourcefulness, especially if the sellers demanded the higher price to begin with. The plan here is to lower the price below the most recent comps in the neighborhood and then market it uber aggressively. Tell the homeowners you will blitz every agent in town. You will create a new listing video positioning it like this: what's the most important lesson in real estate? To buy the least expensive home in the nicest neighborhood. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the lowest priced home in certain neighborhood. The more buzz you can generate around this low price property, the more offers you're going to create, and a bidding war will ensue. So, are you going to dress it up, create a stunning new listing video and raise the price, or lower the price and create a bidding war scenario? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my page as always, and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.